Hi, I'm Dahlia, and I am a patient of Dr. Kim's. I came here for my first consultation, I want to say closer to the mid of May, and I was actually really reluctant at first because I've been questioning getting plastic surgery for quite some time, and I met around with a bunch of doctors, but it was something about Dr. Kim's office and his staff that really made me feel comfortable. During my consultation, Dr. Kim was he was nice enough to really sit down with me and explain every procedure. I was on the fence about also getting my nose done. I got my eyes done as well as my breast, and he explained to me just how meticulous the procedure is, and he let me know that he didn't feel comfortable doing all of those things at once, and that was something that really stuck out to me. It got me to gain his trust, and so I decided that I'd get my procedure done with him, and it was probably the best decision I've ever made in my life. I went in, and I remember the day of, surprisingly, I wasn't too nervous. The only thing I was nervous about was remembering what the doctor said during the consultation. He kept telling me that there wouldn't be pain at all. Like, I would feel some pressure, I'd feel some tugging, but under general anesthesia, not under general anesthesia, but like the lidocaine and all that stuff, like I wouldn't feel anything. And it was really hard for me to believe because the other doctors I met with were so about putting me under anesthesia and doing everything. All they wanted to do was cut. Whereas when I talked to Dr. Kim, he was like, no, that's not what we want to do. We want to make sure that you're not going to get any scarring, any hardening. So he explained to me the type of anesthesia that he uses. It's very local, and then explained to me the whole process. He told me things about breast tissue that I haven't heard from any other doctor. I came in and I had some snacks before the procedure, which normally you're not supposed to do if you go under anesthesia. And I just talked to the ladies in his office, and I remember during the procedure, I started with my eyes, and at first I was really worried because I was going to be awake and I could move my eyes, but the doctor was very reassuring, as well as his staff. They helped me a lot, and I honestly didn't feel anything. And then I had a bathroom break, and then I started on my breast. And that I thought would be more invasive than my eyes. That's what I imagined, but my breast didn't hurt at all. I actually felt that less than my eyes. And then after I was done, I guess I was still loopy because I gave everyone a hug. I was really happy about the procedure. And when I got home the same day, I didn't feel any pain. Like, it looked like I was in pain, but I didn't feel anything. And then almost a week into it, I started healing. I met with friends, I met with family. They said I all look the same. They don't even notice. They just say I look more awake. I've had friends who have gotten the procedure done 3 months ago who are still healing. Like, they still have red on their eyes. They still swell every now and then. And when I talk to them, they tell me that they're jealous that they didn't meet Dr. Kim. But yeah, I'm really happy. And the funny thing is that Dr. Kim told me after I got my eyes done and my breasts done, I wouldn't even remember that I got it done because it feels so natural. And honestly, it's been almost a month or 6 weeks, and I forget. I'm so comfortable, but thank you, Dr. Kim, and your staff.